I really wanted to record with my camera, but it's dead, so I'm on my phone. Anyways, tonight I am making some cream cheese chicken thighs. New recipe, never tried it before. Interested? I'll show you what to do. I'm making it in my Instapot, and I just threw some avocado oil in there, and I have it set to saute. I'm gonna chop up a couple cloves of garlic to put in, and got my chicken, and I got my chicken here, and then unpack. I'm probably only going to do 1 pack of them and not 2. Probably freeze this. So I put the chicken thighs down into the avocado oil on top. This is what I'm going to be using to season the chicken: minced onion, black pepper, basil, oregano, garlic, and sea salt, and then my favorite, campfire smoky sea salt from Fresh Jax. As always, 15% off in the description. Hello. Now that they're all seasoned on this side, it's probably about time to flip them over. I flipped them over, and you can see that the skin is getting nice and crispy. Now I'm going to season this side, and I'll show you what I'll do next. Thighs out, and I've just placed them in this bowl temporarily. I added in probably about 8 ounces of organic bone broth chicken, and then a block of frozen cream cheese. I like to freeze my cream cheese. It does change in consistency, but when it's frozen like this, it's great for Instapot or soups and things like that, because it's frozen. So who cares if the consistency is different? It's going to be creamy and melt in with this and be delicious. I also added in my garlic. I'm going to let this saute for a little bit. Woo! Let this saute down in here for a little bit. Then I will add back in the chicken, and I will pressurize it. So to speed it up a little bit, I did throw it on the soup option for 10 minutes. Now it is pretty much all melted. And I did add just a little splash more of bone broth, and then I added some more seasonings into the mixture. So I'm going to put my chicken thighs back in, and I think I'm going to put some green beans on top of them. Placed them back in there, and I threw, these are fresh green beans from my friend's garden. However, they were frozen. So I just threw some of those on top, and I'm going to close up. Put this to no steaming. And so I've set it to poultry, and it's starting now. It's going to be in there for 15 minutes. So here it is after it's cooked. Oh, look at that, girl. If you want this to be crispy, you can always put these in a pan and fry them up. Which actually I think I might do. I think I'm going to take mine out, and I'm going to pan sear it because I want my little skin to be. Alright guys, this is the finished product. You can remove all the broth and everything from your Instapot and sear it again if you want, or you can put it into a frying pan. You can put it in a frying pan and fry the skin up as well. Here's the green beans looking ever so beautiful, and I just have a little square of cheddar cheese. I'm going to wash this down with some Sole water.